Hey there, friends. Have you ever wondered how we measure the world around us? I mean, how do we know how tall we are, how much water to put in a cake recipe, or even how fast we're running? It's all thanks to measurements. In the next 3 minutes, we're diving into the fascinating world of how we measure things and why it's so cool. First up, let's talk about length. From the height of a skyscraper to the length of your pencil, we use tools like rulers, measuring tapes, and even lasers to measure how long or tall something is. Fun fact, in ancient times, people used their body parts to measure things like the length of a foot or the width of a hand. Cool, right? But luckily, today we've got standardized units like inches, centimeters, and meters, so we can all agree on sizes. Next, we've got volume. Volume tells us how much space something takes up. We use it for liquids like water, milk, or juice. Ever notice the numbers on your measuring cup when baking cookies? That's volume in action. For small amounts, we use milliliters or ounces. For big amounts like a swimming pool, we use gallons or liters. Now let's talk about weight. Want to know how heavy your backpack is? Or how much bananas to grab at the store? That's where scales come in. We measure weight using units like grams, kilograms, or pounds. And last but not least, time. We measure time to know when to wake up, when lunch is ready, or how fast we can run a race. Tools like clocks, stopwatches, and timers help us measure time. Time measures in seconds, minutes, and hours. Now that we are done talking about measurements, we can start to talk about how to do measurements in math problems. Let's start with an easy problem. Let's calculate the volume of a pyramid. The problem is calculate the volume of a square pyramid with a base length of 6 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters. To start, we need to use a formula. The formula is 1/3 times base area times height. Let's find the base first. As you can see, the base is a square, so we have to square the side length, which gives us 36. Now that we have the base area and the height, we can substitute them into the formula, which will be volume equals 1/3 times 36 times 9. Now we simplify, and it will give us the answer. For example 2, we are going to find the surface area of a pyramid. The problem is find the surface area of a square pyramid that has a base length of 8 centimeters and a slant height of 10 centimeters. First, we need to use the formula. The formula is surface area equals base area plus lateral area. First, we need to find the base area. To find the base area, we need to square the side length, which gives us 64. After finding the base area, we need to find the lateral area. To find the lateral area, we need to use the formula. Triangle area equals 1/2 times base x height. We already have these numbers, so we just apply them, and it will end up giving us 40. Since there are 4 triangles in a squared pyramid, we have to times 40 by 4, which gives us 160. Now we just have to add the base area and the lateral area, which is 64 plus 160, and this gives us the answer. That's it for this video, folks. Have a good time measuring the world, and don't forget to use the formulas when measuring. We will see you next time at Math Unlocked. Bye!